Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.